All right, guys, got Jamie here. Just going to finish up these last two boxes of 2016 Panini Torque Racing. This case we were working on last couple days. Good luck. They're not different boxes. It was just turned sideways, you silly man. Kenseth to 99, Harvick to 49, and our first hit, Martin Truex Jr. to 150. CeeLo and Rusty Wallace to 50. Danica Patrick, Joey Logano, 199. Casey Kane to 149. And sheet metal signatures of Eric Jones. Two colors, 1 of 40. To 125, Brendan Poole. Kevin Harvick. Pole positions, Tony Stewart. And Reed Sorensen. A numbered autograph. Jimmy Johnson, 199. Ty Dillon to 99 with his Cheerios suit. And Danica Patrick and Kevin Harvick. Jimmy John's and Nature's Bakery. Number to 49. Jeb Burton to 99. And last pack, box 1. Truex Jr. Shades. Terry Labonte, 149, and Casey Kane, dual sheet metal, numbered to 99. All right. Number 2. Danica Patrick to 99. Horsepower Heroes. Kyle Busch to 99. And Donnie Allison. Nice legendary autograph to 50. Kevin Harvick. Victory Laps 199. Another Terry Labonte. This one's to 25. And sheet metal signatures. Nice hit to 25. Kevin Harvick. Logano to 99. Stuff seems to have some pretty good value. Trevor Bayne. Pole positions. Alminger to 49 and a dual. Wow, that's a nice looking piece there. 3 of 10. Austin and Ty Dillon. Bass Pro Shop. And another Austin Dillon to 99. Clint Boyer to 49. Bobby Allison, 149. And Jimmy Johnson, 4-piece. That's numbered to 48. Kind of an odd numbering. All right, Jamie. Last pack. Finish with Joey Logano. Special Paint 199. Rusty Wallace. And Jeff Bodine. Driver scripts. And a Chase Elliott rookie to 125. All right, brother. I appreciate it, man. I'll get all this packed up and I'll ship out first thing in the morning.